Yo, what's up my dear people, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be talking again about this amazing passive income app called ProxyRack. So I have already done a video about this site, just let me give you a quick summary. So this is just one of those many free passive income apps. You install it on your PC and you earn money passively for every gigabyte of internet bandwidth that you share. So the installation on the PC is super easy, okay? But guys, the reason that I'm making this video now is that recently they have made an Android app, okay? So this is really great. You can now install ProxyRack on your mobile phone. So that's amazing. So here's the dashboard. Once you install it on your PC, it looks like this, okay? But as you see, they have added the Android app option. So guys, regarding the Android app, it is a little bit more complicated, but it is easy, okay? If I have managed to install it, you can install it also, guys, trust me. So I will leave a link for the installation in the description below, guys. Open the description below, open the link and install it on your mobile phone. It's super simple, okay? So here's some information. So once you install it on your mobile phone, it will look like this, okay? But I will also show you how it looks like on my phone. Yeah, so you can take a read here. I'm not gonna talk. Maybe pause the screen and read this, okay? So you don't have to worry, it's legit, okay? The use cases for these mobile proxies are for different companies that are web scraping, trying to verify their ads, market research and so on. You can check out all of these on the screen. So they actually made this video here, how to install it on your mobile phone. So once you open the link, you will go to like this GitHub, okay? So here don't be scared, okay? Just scroll down here, disregard this data here. And now guys, getting started, you need to press this pre-compiled APK, okay? You will need to do this on your mobile phone. So I think that I will now switch to my phone to show you how it looks like. But before I switch to the phone, just let me tell you that if you are a fan of passive income, I will also leave some other passive income apps in the description below, like 𝐏𝐴NY, ProxyRack, Pawns app, Tref Monetizer, Earn app, Packet Stream, Get Grass and 𝗫𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, okay? For a few of these I didn't make a video yet, but I will make, and they are legit and they do pay, okay? So if you want, you can join all of these, okay? Okay guys, so as I said, I will show you how ProxyRack looks on the mobile phone. Also guys, if you like passive income on your mobile phone, I will also leave a link for all of these passive income apps like Ember Fund, Cointiply, Money SMS, McMoney, Peer to Profit, Pawns app and Earn app, okay? So make sure to install those, it's free money, free passive income. So people, once you install ProxyRack, so this one is ProxyRack, okay? So let's open it. Once you install it, the dashboard looks like this, okay? You need to like put your username, the device ID will be given automatically, okay? So once you install it, you need to press this upper right wheel and you need to turn on this one, share my bandwidth with others and earn money. Once enabled, you will begin earning rewards right away, okay? And guys, the thing that you need to keep in mind, and this will be probably the hardest thing for people to do, you will need to link this device on your dashboard, on your ProxyRack dashboard, okay? So remember this, you need to put the username and your device ID, you need to link it on your dashboard. So I hope that if you are watching this and you want to install ProxyRack, I hope that you will be able to do this. If you will need help, feel free to leave a comment, I will help you, okay? But if you will be having problems, feel free to click this setup instructions just above the disconnect button. And this is the one that I was showing you before. So just scroll down, guys, and you can play this video, okay, if you will be having problems. So I believe that once you watch this video, you will understand everything, okay? So yeah, guys, that would be it for this video. I don't know what else to say. I'm not gonna talk anymore, you know. So yeah, guys, once again, if you need any kind of help, feel free to leave a comment, I will help you. Check out all of these other free passive income apps in the description below. And thank you very, very much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.